Hi everyone, my name is Eesha and I am one of the trainers with the Sri Sri School of Yoga, and today we are going to do a small sequence for pain relief. In today's times, when we are sitting in front of our gadgets, using them constantly, and the sedentary lifestyle has made it important to make yoga an important part of your day. So today, let's do a small sequence that will help us to get rid of the pain. So let's start with some simple neck movements. As you inhale, let your head fall back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. In, up. Chin is pointing up towards the ceiling. And as you breathe out, chin to the chest. Neck rotations now. As you inhale, front to right and back, and as you exhale, back to left and front. Slow and gentle neck movements. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Anti-clockwise, breathing in, front to left and back, breathing out, back to right and front. And you may relax after this round. Now one more breath in. And as you exhale, look to the right. Inhale to the center, exhale to the left. And let's continue doing this for a few rounds. And feel a nice stretch in the neck region. And come back to the center. Now as you inhale, take your right arm up. Place the right palm on the left ear, and as you exhale, tilt your neck to the right side. And feel a nice stretch on the left side of your neck. And keep taking long and deep breaths in and out. Inhale to the center, exhale, relax. Now inhale, take your left arm up. Place the left palm on the right ear, and as you exhale, tilt your neck to the left and stretch the right side of your neck. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, relax the left arm. Now join the fingertips in front of the chest. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, open up the arms. Push your elbows out, away from the body. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the sides. And let's continue doing this. Open up your shoulders, the chest region. Now slowly start moving the arms up in front of the face, above the head, and bring them slowly down, in front of the waist. And relax your arms. Now take a breath in, and as you exhale, twist to the right. Inhale to the center, exhale to the left. And let's continue doing this at a medium pace. twist your entire upper body, from the waist to the chest, shoulders and neck. And come back to the center. Now we'll do some waist rotations. Let's increase the distance between the feet, palms on the waist, and let's start with moving the waist. As you inhale, front to right and back. As you exhale, back to left and front. Move your body like you're making big circles with your waist. Opposite direction, anti-clockwise. And come back to the center. Get your feet closer to each other. Now stretch your right leg to the front. Inhale, bend the leg. Exhale, stretch the leg. The left leg. Inhale, bend. Exhale, stretch. Now as you inhale, go all the way up on your toes, stretch yourself up and start walking on the toes. On the heels. On the outside edge of your feet. On the inside edge. And come back to the center. Now let's all settle down. So now let's all sit down on all fours. Your palms and knees on the floor. Your palms are shoulder width apart. Your knees are hip width apart. Back parallel to the floor. And as you inhale, look up, push your chest, your navel towards the floor. And as you exhale, chin to the chest, arch your back up. Breathe in, look up, push your back down. Breathe out, chin to the chest, arch your back up. Breathe in, breathe out. And now as you inhale, look up and lift your right knee up. Keep your leg bent. And as you breathe out, chin to the chest, knee to the chest. And see if you can place your forehead or nose on the right knee. Inhale, exhale, in, out, and relax. We'll do the same thing with the left leg now. As you inhale, look up, lift the left knee up, exhale. In, out, in, out, and relax. Now as you inhale, take your right arm up, open up your right shoulder, and as you exhale, twist. In, out, in, out, and relax. So now let's start with the left arm. As you inhale, take your left arm up, open up the left shoulder, and as you exhale, twist. Left shoulder on the floor. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come back to the center and slowly take your buttocks back. Your buttocks are on the heels, chest on the thighs, forehead on the floor, and stretch your arms to the front. Now slowly lie down on the stomach. Place your elbows on the floor. Make a cup of both the hands, and I will kick the buttocks with the heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Palms under the shoulders, chin on the floor, elbows close to the body. And as you inhale, lift your chin, your shoulders, your chest, and your upper abdomen off the floor. Keep your elbows close to the body and your shoulders relaxed. Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. And as you exhale, slowly come down. Roll over to your back. Your legs are bent. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Palms facing down. And as you inhale, lift your buttocks, your lower back, middle back off the floor. Now roll your shoulders in, lift your upper back, interlock your fingers under the body, on the floor. Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose. With every inhalation, lift yourself up. And with every exhalation, place your feet firmly on the floor. Relax your arms. And as you exhale, bring your body gently back on the floor. Now as you inhale, stretch your arms at shoulder level to the sides. Your palms are facing up. And as you exhale, drop your knees to the left and look over your right shoulder. Inhale to the center, exhale. Drop your knees to the right and look over your left shoulder. Natarajasana. Give your entire spine a good twist. And inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, relax your arms. Join the feet. Bring them close to each other, knees together, feet together, and join your feet in Namaste. Drop your knees to the sides. Place your palms on the thighs and gently push your lower back down towards the mat. Supta Baddha Konasana. Now as you inhale, bring the knees close to each other. As you exhale, relax the arms. Now inhale, wrap your arms around the legs. And as you exhale, lift your upper body up. Pavan Muktasana. And give yourself a nice hug. And slowly start rocking your body, front and back, like you're giving your lower back a good massage. Right and left. And come back to the center. And now we will do a few clockwise rotations with the waist, with the lower body. Opposite direction. And relax. And stretch your legs. Relax your arms. Arms by the sides, close to the body. Your palms are facing up. Eyes closed. And let your entire body relax. And keep lying down for a few minutes. Keeping your eyes closed, turn to the right side and slowly sit up. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more long deep breath in. And exhale completely. And slowly and gradually, with a nice smile on your face, you may open your eyes. So how are you all feeling? Please let us know in the comments below. Make this routine a part of your life for a pain-free and healthy body. You can also follow it up with a guided meditation by Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar ji, the link to which is in the description below. Do like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content. Thank you and see you all soon.